Good afternoon, students. Today we will be starting with the time value of money concept. It is a very important concept for your advanced financial management. It will be used in various while solving various questions. So please study it properly. Time value of money concept. What does it say? It says that the present worth of money is more than the same amount of money if we get in the future. Time value of money should be considered in our projects while taking decisions because we have a lot of alternatives available in order to invest our money. And we want to invest our money in the most profitable project. Yes, time value of money is considered because of two parameters mainly. One is inflation and another one is opportunity cost. Say today I have 1000 rupees and I go to the market and buy rice 10 kg rice. Okay, that means the price of my rice is 100. Yes, after 1 year, can I buy with that 1000 rupees 10 kg of rice? The answer is no. I cannot buy 10 kg of rice with that 1000 rupees because of inflation. Now the price of rice is not 100. The price of rice has increased to say 110. So in order to buy 10 kg of rice, I will require 1100 rupees. Okay, after 1 year. This is the example of inflation. That is, it has increased, then 100 rupees have now become 110. Yes, because the value of money in the future keeps on decreasing. That's why today with 1000 rupees I can get 1000 rupees I can get 10 kg of rice, but after 1 year I cannot get 10 kg of rice with that 1000 rupees. So this is inflation. Okay. Opportunity cost example, if you want to take, say I my friend want to borrow from me 1000 rupees and he promised me to pay 1050, that is 1050 rupees after 1 year. Okay, I have another opportunity to invest this 1000 rupees and get 10% interest rate after 1 year. Okay, in 1 year I will be getting 10%. That means amount will be 1100 after 1 year. So which project should I choose? Of course I will be choosing this one, selecting this one because it is giving me more money. Yes, and with this 1100 I can buy 10 kg of rice after 1 year also. So we should consider time value of money concept because the value of money today is more, yes, than the value of money after 1 year. Understood? Okay. Now let us see another example. Say today I have 1000 rupees and I deposit it in my bank account, and my bank says that they will be giving me 10% interest rate. Okay, 10%. So how to find the future value? This is the present value and I want to go to the future value. How will we find it? That means I will be multiplying it. So the formula we can use is present value 1 plus r to the power n. That is 1000 rupees 1 plus r is 10%. Yes, that is 0.1. That means 1.1 becomes to the power 1. How much I will be getting? I will be getting 1100. Yes, same way I can use it to second period to find the total amount. That is the principal plus interest. This is what? This is compounding. Okay, second year you find it out, you find out the years. You can find till 10 years in order to practice. Okay, so this way we find the future value. We find the future value. That is 1100 after 1 year. After 2 years also I can find that way. How I can find? Here we will be putting 1100 instead of 1000. Okay, and here instead of 1 it will be 2 and it becomes 1210. 1210. Okay, this is the second year. So when we want to find from present value to future value, we will be using the compounding technique. And when we want to find the present value and future value is given to us, we will be using discounting technique. We will be discounting it. Okay. So see this 1000 today, the value of this 1000 after 3 years, it is 1331. So if we want to lend our money 1000 rupees for 3 years to someone, then we should get either 1331 or more or 1500 say. Only then we will be in profit. If he wants to pay me 1000 or 1200 after 3 years for this 1000 rupees I gave him today, then I will not be in profit. Okay, so we should consider all these things. This time value of money is very important while taking decisions in our business. Let us see another example. Say this one. If today I lend money to Dipanjal rupees 50,000, okay, and he says that he will return me 1 lakh 10 years. So is he in profit or loss or neutral? If interest rate is 10%, that means interest rate will be paying me 10%. So let us see. So how will be seeing? This is the present value. Yes, I have the time period and also I have the interest. I can find with this example, this formula, future value is equal to present value 1 plus r to the power n. So present value is 50,000, 1 plus that is 10%. Okay, to the power 10. How much I get? I get this much. Yes. In exam, don't take so much of decimal places. Okay, I have taken in order to show you something. Okay, till 4 points only, 4 decimal places it will be sufficient for exam. So, we get 1,29,687. So should I lend my money to Dipanjan? Yes or no? He says that he will be paying me 1,10,000 and my future value of today's 50,000 is 1,29,000. That means he is paying me less. So my answer will be no. Pay me either 1,30,000, only then I will be paying you today 50,000. Otherwise, I will be investing it somewhere else. Okay. So same way, the way I have found this future value with this present value, I can also find the present value of some future amount with this same formula it is, but present I have just altered it. Okay, when I want to find present value, future value will be divided by this 1 plus r to the power n. So I have taken the future amount in divided by how much? 2.5937426. Okay. So what's the answer? 50,000. See the amount I have lent, I found with the future value. So this way, these will be some questions which you should know to find out, which might come in your exams. Okay. Now let us see how by using tables we can solve this type of questions. See, we have 4 tables. CVF is compounding value factor, compounding value annuity factor, present value factor, and present value annuity factor table. These two we mainly use for finding the future value. Okay, and these two we use for finding the present value. You should remember this too. Now see how by using the CVF table we will be we will be solving these questions. Okay, and annuity means, I think you all know that a fixed amount of sum of money when we get for each year, we say it as annuity. Okay, this is also this question we can also solve by using annuity table. Okay, now let's first see how we will be solving this question by using the CVF table, compound value factor table. See, in here we need to understand that this is the year, this is the amount, and this interest period is important here to find. How will we be finding the interest period? See, for the present, today if we deposit 10,000 rupees, okay, that means I will get an interest of 10% for how many years? For 5 years I have kept. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 5 years, I will be getting 10% interest. So in the CVF table, see you will be seeing here 10%. This is and this is 5 year. So for 5 years, 10% is how much? 1.6105. So 1.6105 is just compound value factor for 5 years. So we'll be finding the future value by multiplying this amount into CVF. Yes, we know the formula present value into CVF. We'll be getting what? We'll be getting the future value. Yes, this is the future value. Now let's see the another first year one. So we will be receiving interest for 4 years. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So for 4 years we will be seeing 10%. In 10% interest rate, what is the CVF? For 4 years, 10%. It is 1.4641. 1.4641. So we will be multiplying 10,000 to 1.4641. We will be getting 1.4641. Yes, sorry, 14,641. So when we, by this way only, we will be finding all the future values and we will be adding it up. So while adding it up, we will be getting the total amount we will be receiving after 5 years. And here you see why we have taken this interest period as 0, because for this 5 year, in 5 year I will be getting the amount, total amount. Yes. So for that year I will not be receiving, I don't need to change. This is the future value only. After 5 years only I will be receiving this amount, right? So this is the future value only. So I do not need to change it again. Yes. So that's why it is 0. Clear? Okay. As I said you that 10,000 rupees is the annuity value. So I can also use the annuity table here. So how I will be using the annuity table? This is the annuity table. Table 2 is future value interest factor for an annuity here. See? So the formula will be present value into CVAF. That means the total amount we will be finding in one time only, instead of doing so much of calculations there. I can also, if I have the CVAF table, I can use this table also, and it will be a lot more easier. See, the answer is same, 77,156. How I have found it out? It was 10% for, okay, it will be this one, 7.7156. So here one difference is here. What is the difference? See, I have taken this in 10%. I have taken for 6 years. Why it is 6 years? Because see, today I have kept 1000. Today is 0, 1, second, third year, then fourth year, then fifth year. So CVAF total 10,000 will be kept for how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why I have used 6 here. For 6 years I have seen 10% interest. So this is 7.7156. Answer is 77,156. Is it clear? Now let us see this question. It says, say you have a fixed deposit of 2 lakh. The rate is 8% and for 10 years we will be keeping this fixed deposit. So you want to know the future earning. Yes. So how will we be finding? This is a one-time deposit. Yes, 2 lakh is a one-time deposit. We have the rate, we have the time. So, and we want to find the future value. So we will be using the CVF table, this compound value factor table, to find the future value. Here see 8% is here and time is 10 years. So what is the amount? 2.1589. Yes, 2.1589. So we will be multiplying the present value with the compound value factor and we will be getting 4,31,780. Clear? Fine. Now we will be starting with the discounting factor concept we mainly use to find the present value of future earning. And compounding factor we mainly use for finding future earning from the present value. See this question. It says that we have invested 10 lakh rupees Yes, and my future cash flow is 5 lakh for 3 years. For 3 years, I have got 5 lakh rupees. So the total earning is 15 lakh. In see, if we see it from normal person point of view, it is a very profitable project because I have invested 10 lakh and I am receiving 15 lakh. But is it the case? Because we know we need to consider time value of money here also. See this, for first year I am receiving 5 lakh, yes, but the present value of these 5 lakh today is how much? Is it 5 lakh? It is not 5 lakh. So how much is the present value of this 5 lakh? So how we will be finding it out? By using this formula. Future value divided by 1 plus r to the power n. That is 5 lakh divided by, how much it will be? Sorry, 5 lakh divided by 1 plus r. This 1 plus 0.10 to the power 1. Yes. So we will be getting 454545. Yes. Yes. Now second year, same formula we will be using, only here the time period will be changing. The n will be changing to 2 here. And we will be getting 413223. This way we will be finding third year also. We will be changing this n. It will become 3 year. And the amount will be this much. Yes. So now totally we have found out the present value of future earning. What is the future earning is 15 lakh. Yes. But what is its present value? Its present value is 12,43,425. So I have invested 10 lakh rupees today and I am earning today's present value, future earning is 10,43,425. That means we have compared it with present value because 10 lakh is of our present value. This 12,43,425 is also our present value. So now we can compare whether we are earning profit or not. So what is the case? We are earning profit. So this is a yes for investing in this project. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you. Practice questions. Okay. Thank you.